MACH 2018 feature. We're here with Alec at Star to discuss HFT. Tell me a little bit about HFT, please, Alec.
This is a software option that we can retrofit to machines and it enables chipping of difficult to chip materials.
And how easy is it to install onto the machines?
The clever bit is on the PMC side, so it's very easy to install. It's the PMC changes and a few additional macros to drive the software, so it's quite simple.
On new and old machines?
Yes, it's control dependent. I think the oldest we've done so far is a machine that's 12 years old, so it can go back quite a distance, yeah.
And what are the main gains and productivity gains the customer is likely to see using this new technology?
It prevents swarf building up around tools, around the guide bush, around the collets, etc. So it allows the spindles to be turning, the door to be down, machine to be in production for longer, making more money for our customers.
Now that's brilliant. Now, Alec, what stand are you on and where can customers come to find you?
We're in Hall 19, stand 520. Like I say, they can see 3 machines running HFT at the show.
Right, if you want to find out a little bit more about HFT at MACH 2018, please visit the Star stand. MTD will be there all day on Thursday the 12th. We'll see you then.